Alright, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction. China's artificial sun. No, I'm not talking about some crazy CGI project or a new movie. This is real. This is the East Fusion Reactor, and China just installed a brand new core that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for clean energy. So, what exactly is this artificial sun? Basically, it's a nuclear fusion reactor, officially called the Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, or EAST for short. The goal? To recreate the same kind of energy that powers our actual sun, right here on Earth. If that sounds wild, it's because it is. Fusion is the process that smashes atoms together, releasing an insane amount of energy, way more than what we get from splitting atoms in regular nuclear power plants. And the best part? It's super clean. No carbon emissions, no radioactive waste that lasts for thousands of years. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. China's just installed a new core in the EAST reactor. Think of it like swapping out the engine in a sports car for something even more powerful and efficient. This new core is designed to handle even higher temperatures and pressures, making it possible to run the reactor longer and more efficiently than ever before. Get this, the temperatures inside the reactor can hit over 150 million degrees Celsius. That's about 10 times hotter than the center of the sun. Seriously. And the new core? It's built to withstand that heat, keeping the plasma stable for longer periods. That's a huge deal, because the longer you can keep the fusion reaction going, the closer you get to making fusion a practical source of energy. Now, why does this matter? Well, fusion energy could be a game changer for the entire planet. Imagine limitless clean power, no pollution, and basically no fuel shortages. We're talking about an energy source that could power entire cities, heck, maybe even countries, without the environmental downsides of fossil fuels. But let's keep it real. We're not there yet. Fusion is still one of the toughest challenges in science and engineering. But with every upgrade, every new core, we get one step closer. China's progress with EAST is a big signal to the world. Fusion isn't just a dream anymore. It's becoming a reality, and it could change everything. So, next time you hear someone say artificial sun, remember, it's not science fiction. It's the future of energy, and it's happening right now. If you're as excited as I am about breakthroughs like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and let's keep our eyes on the horizon. The future is looking pretty bright, literally.